Hi, I'm Suzanne Lord, and thanks for watching Go Kids Craft Club, where we always have fun with crafts, activities, and snacks for kids. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Hi kids, it's Grandma Susie. Glad you guys came back. I have a very simple project to do. It's really cute. It's a necklace for 4th of July because it's red, white, and blue. And you just need a few things. You need some pony beads, and you need some straws. I got mine at Target in the dollar spot. And you need some twine or yarn, string. All right, so what you do is you're going to cut your straws into 1-inch pieces. You're going to cut your string about 4 foot long. I cut this one, and you're going to tie 1 pony bead on the end for starter. And on this end, I did put some Scotch tape because this twine will unravel really quickly. And so what you want to do is you want to create a pattern. And on this one, I did 3 pony beads and 1 straw. These are perfect projects to have out on the 4th of July and let kids make them. Or if you're going to be camping out on the lake, somewhere far away from home, you might want to make some ahead of time so you have something really cool to wear while you're watching your fireworks. And all you do when you get done with the length you want, you're going to tie the 2 knots together and you have a perfect necklace. Really cute idea. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a happy 4th. Bye kids.